I'm often asked, what do you do to prevent rust on your planes? Some people wipe theirs with oil, but the problem with that is every time you go to use a plane, you've got to clean them off, and it's messy. I think these silicone impregnated tube socks are the best solution. They come in 4 different sizes, so the small one is plenty big enough for a block plane. It's got a drawstring on there so that once you put it in, you can just pull that tight, and it's as easy as taking it out when you want to use it. You can also use it for the number 1. You can use it for probably the 2 different sizes of the shoulder planes, the small and the medium. Then there's one that fits your smoother, and that'll fit a scrub plane, a 4.5, a 4, anything in that range. Then there's one for your jacks. Now this is a 5.5, and it'll fit in there. You can also put a number 5, and if you're dealing with junior jacks, that would certainly fit as well. They stretch quite easily, so easy to fit. And then the big one will fit your number 7 or your number 6. And the number 7 obviously being the biggest plane that the Wood River line has, but that'll fit in there. They're really durable and good quality stuff, and I just love them for the convenience. So if you're in an area that you deal with rust, a damp environment, this is by far the easiest solution to take care of your planes. Good luck.